Welcome, developers. Today, we're diving into the world of Redux, a powerful state management library for React. As your apps grow, managing state across components can become a complex task. But don't worry, Redux is here to simplify things. Redux centralizes state management, bringing predictability to your React applications. Redux has three core parts: actions, reducers, and the store. Actions describe what happened, reducers handle changes, and the store holds the entire app state. Let's set up Redux. First, install Redux, then create a store with create store. To trigger state changes, we dispatch actions. And to generate these actions, we use action creators. Reducers are pure functions that manage state changes. Let's see them in action. React Redux simplifies Redux integration. Use connect and map state to props to connect Redux to React. To trigger state changes, we dispatch actions using dispatch. Let's see how it works. For handling async tasks, we use middleware like Redux Thunk. Let's dive into it. So, Redux structures state in React apps, making complex data flows manageable. Remember the core parts: actions, reducers, and the store. Thanks for joining us on this Redux journey. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more React insights. Happy coding until next time.